Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I am going to share a program, a system, an opportunity where you don't have to wait to get paid. No more waiting for 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 30 days, 60 days. No more waiting for the refund period to pass. You actually get paid instantly, directly into your bank account. Approved, guaranteed, no more fear of refund. I am going to share a program, a system that's crushing it right now, and you can get paid instantly. I am not talking about course creation. I am not talking about having your own program, own system, selling your own product. No. I am not talking about joining a program where you get reseller license. No. I am talking about affiliate marketing. That's right. Affiliate marketing. You promote someone else's product, but you get paid instantly, straight away, into your bank account without having to wait for 2 days, 3 days, 10 days, 30 days, 60 days, refund period to pass without you having to request a withdrawal. Yes, I know. You're probably thinking, wait. How is that possible with affiliate marketing? That is possible if you have your own product, you have your own system, you're selling your own course, you're selling your own PDF, you're selling your own training program, or you're selling a program that you have given reseller license to. You get paid instantly. But how is it possible that you're promoting someone else's product, not your own product? They're paying you commission on it, but you're getting paid instantly? Keep watching. I'm going to share how you can earn instant commissions, guaranteed, approved, directly paid into your bank account as soon as you have generated a sale. And the commission is anywhere from $20 to up to $1,625. Instant commission directly into your bank account. Keep watching. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. It's not going to take any minutes. It's not even going to take you more than 2 seconds. Just go ahead right now, click the subscribe button. The benefit you're going to get is you're going to be the first one to be able to watch my videos that's changed thousands of people's lives. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. If you have questions, leave a comment, and don't forget to click the share button to share this video with the people you care, because this one video is more than enough to change someone's life. If you don't know me, I am a multi-millionaire. I've been in this business for over a decade, helped thousands of people make money online. I am one of the first person to come onto social media to show the inside the secrets of business that will change and help people change their life. And then after that, a lot of people start coming and sharing the insider secrets. Otherwise, you probably know most of the people, they come onto the internet, they share everything, but when you implement it, you're still not making money. And one of the biggest reasons is there's a piece of puzzle missing. And I was the first person to solve that piece of puzzle. That means sharing everything, giving away everything for free. And then following my footsteps, people started to do it as well. Alright? So if you follow my steps and recommendation, I guarantee your life is never going to be the same again. Okay? So let's get into this video. Alright, before we dive into this video, if you don't know, I have a course all about ClickBank. If you're more interested in learning all about ClickBank, you want to know what ClickBank is, how it works, how to make thousands of dollars in commissions with ClickBank every single month, I do have a course with 1,774 students, 4.6 reviews, and the course goes into very much details teaching you everything all about ClickBank with free traffic and paid traffic. Okay, you could grab this course right now. Link is popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address. I'm also going to have this link in my description box below this video. You could check it out. Okay, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, which means it's 100% risk free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. And if you join this course with a positive mindset, positive attitude, and having this mindset that I'm going to learn from it, implement it, and never going to give up, trust me, this course will be more than enough to change your life. So let's get into this. What was my claim in the beginning? Promoting someone else's product and getting paid instantly into your bank account, guaranteed, approved, no more waiting for the refunds, no more refunds, no refund policy, straight up, solid, and massive opportunity. So let's get into this. Okay, so this is the program, alright? So I'm going to show you what this program is and how it can change your life. You can see here that it's a program, alright? You could look into this. The link is popping up right on your screen right now. If you go to this website address, you're going to see this bold claim. Once $1,625 instant deposit, okay? Straight into your account, okay? Plus, you're going to make additional commission. So here's what you're going to do, okay? When you click the link in my description box below this video, or you go to this website address that's popping up right on your screen, the first thing you want to do is watch this video. This is very, very important, okay? This is going to explain. Now, this is not the same as what you saw previously. Previously, there was a system launched called the Super Affiliate Funnel, okay? There was a system that was launched just a couple of months ago called the Super Affiliate Funnel. The page looks a bit similar, just like that one, but this is different. Okay, so make sure you watch this video. And then what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down. You want to read through if you want to, okay? Just keep reading. And then you're going to come to something like this, okay? Can you see this? Look at this. It's free to join this. There's no cost, okay? So I highly recommend you join this. So what you want to do, you want to come here and you want to click on Start Here. When you click on Start Here, you're going to enter your name, first name, last name, your goal. So you just put something like 10K a month, 100K a month, whatever it is. Okay. And then after that, you're going to tick this box. I agree to send a testimony when I reach my goals. Now, I have already told you this page is similar to one of the previous pages that was launched a couple of months ago. That was called the Super Affiliate Funnel. Don't get confused. This is completely different. Okay. So if you have already joined something similar like this, that's different what you have joined. You might want to join this again because this is completely different, because this is what the opportunity is, getting instant payment straight into your bank account without having to wait, plus additional $1,830 in commissions. All right. I know one person who made $16,000 in 4 days. Another person made $12,000 in 2 days. Another person made $15,000 and I don't know, in 2-3 weeks. Okay. So here it is. You go down. Okay. Scroll down. Enter your name, enter your last name, your goal, your email address, create your password. I am not a robot. I create my account. Okay. So when you create your account, okay, you're going to receive an email. Go to your email address, verify your email address, okay? And once you have verified, log into your account, you're going to see something just like this, okay? This funnel is called Instant Pay Funnel. You're promoting someone else's product, you're getting paid instantly. So what is this? It's a marketing system that has 9 systems inside, okay? Ecosystem, getting paid from different companies simultaneously straight into your bank account. All right, so you promote one link and you get paid from different companies. All right, so first thing what you need to do, which is very, very important, is as soon as you have joined, make sure you watch this video. Very important, okay? Because this is going to explain this whole opportunity, how it all works. And then you're going to have a deadline, all right? So can you remember that claim here? Can you remember this claim here? You want to qualify for this, right? To qualify for this, what you need to do is, if you don't activate all 9 income streams, at least activate the first income stream, which is this one here. Activate this. Very, very important, okay? How do you activate this? Just click on this yellow button here. Step 1. Click on this yellow button and activate it. If you need to read through all of this. Okay? If you still don't understand, there's a tutorial here. Can you see that tutorial button here? Just click on the tutorial, and that tutorial is going to open up and explain what this system is all about. This is a brand new opportunity where you get instant commissions, instant deposit straight into your bank account. So if you can't activate all 9 income streams to qualify for the huge bonuses that you're going to get, at least activate the first income stream. All right, so first step, after you have logged in, watch this video. Very important. That's step 1. Step 2, you can go there and check the bonuses if you want to, but I recommend before checking the bonuses, you go down and activate at least the first income stream. I would recommend activating all 9 income streams. If you want to make the most out of this, you want to make a lot of money out of this, then I highly recommend you activate all income streams. But just to qualify for the bonuses, okay, which is huge, I highly recommend you activate the first income stream. All right, and I think David Deckel is already explaining all about the bonuses, etc. in this video, so you need to watch this video. Very important. Okay, so scroll down, click on this yellow button here. All right, if you want to learn more about this opportunity, you just click on this tutorial and it's going to explain everything. So you can see here, it says, get access to all the marketing tools you need for your online business with advanced AI feature with just one program. Earn 100% commission up to $1,625 for each sale over and over again. Earn passive commissions, matrix commissions, cycle commissions, and more. Just 3 sales with all member puts nearly $5,000 in your pocket, right? You know, this claim here, this claim is all inside this number 1 income stream, the first income stream. You know the claim that I just told you, get paid instantly without having to wait? This is what it is. And this is it, the number 1. Alright, I'm not even talking about the number 2 income stream, number 3, number 4, okay, number 5 income stream, then number 6, alright, number 7, number 8, and number 9. I'm not even talking about all these things. I'm just talking about this one, just this one, is all fitted into the number 1 income stream. So if you just activate this number 1 income stream, you're qualifying for all of this. This is what it is, okay? Plus, you're going to qualify for the bonuses, right? The bonuses, that is a very, very limited time. You might want to check that out, okay? So first thing is, once you have logged in, watch this video, activate all the income streams, especially number 1, so you can qualify for all the bonuses, okay? And then one by one, activate all income streams. How do you activate all the income? You just click on these yellow buttons. So you go down, then you go down again for the second income stream. You might want to read through what you're going to get here. Okay, if you still need more information, just click on this tutorial, watch the video, click on this yellow button, activate the income stream, okay, and then so on and so forth. So you're going to do that for all the income streams. That's done. So you have step 1 is completed. Step 2, lead capture setup, all explained, all right, with a tutorial video. Just click on it and it will open up with a new page explaining how to set up your autoresponder, etc. And the traffic leads and sale, where David Deckel is giving you his underground traffic source and traffic network that you can use to start building up this business and start getting paid from 9 different companies simultaneously. All right, now this is taking the internet by storm. This is an opportunity for you to crush it in 2025 and start getting instant deposit, instant commissions of $1,625. All right, and then you can see this as well. Check this out. Okay, you can see that. Okay, and right now the price is going back up again. So you have got an opportunity to get on this link popping up right on your screen. Go to this website address right now, create your free account with this, and then follow these 3 steps. First, watch this video. All right, then the first step is marketing system setup. One by one, set all the systems up. If you can't do all of it in one go, at least do the number 1, all right, by going here and setting it up so you can get all the bonuses. Where it says here, helpful tip, unlock all the levels up to 1,000 to get your bonuses. okay, and you only have a very, very limited time, right? And then you could set up all the other income streams. Once that's done, come here, lead capture setup, set that up. Once that's done, come here, set up the traffic, leads, and sale, so you are ready to rock and roll. You might have questions, you might want to know, so you can contact me straight, okay? Leave a comment, I'll answer your questions. If you can't leave a comment, come on Facebook, let's chat, let's talk about this. You need help, you need a hands-on, you need someone to jump on Skype or one-on-one Zoom call to help you out, show you what you need to do to stop crushing it and make multiple 4-5 figures. Come, I'm here to help you. I want to help you, all right? But I can only help you if you have a system to promote, a program to promote, okay? So you need to join something that then, so I can help you promote that program, that system. Now, it could be anything. It could be the instant pay funnel, or it could be something, whatever it is. You have problems, you have issues, come on Facebook, let's chat, let's talk about this. Let me help you out. Let me show you what's working right now. Let me show you how you can make over $100,000 this year in 2025, all right? So, there's nothing that can stop you now, all right? You have to become unstoppable. So go here, join this program right now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Set up all the marketing systems, lead capture page, traffic leads. You get stuck, you're frustrated, you don't know what to do. Come on to Facebook. Let's talk. Let me show you what you need to do, how to do it, okay? You need help? You don't know where to drive traffic? You don't know how to drive traffic? Don't worry. I'll do it for you, okay? In fact, let me show you. When you join this, okay, and if you activate these two income streams, okay, I'll give you two. One is number 1 income stream, and one is this number 4 income stream, okay? The number 4 income stream with the highest level. You activate both of these income stream, I have a couple of bonuses for you, myself. These bonuses are my exclusive bonuses. Not this one, this is different, okay? That you're going to get when you activate the first income stream. My exclusive one of the bonuses is, I will drive some traffic for you to your link. How cool is that? Okay? To qualify for that traffic, you need to activate at least 2 income streams, number 1 and number 4, alright? It's not just traffic, I have so many other bonuses as well that I will be giving you. One of the bonuses is, I will be driving some of my clicks to your offer for you, alright? To give you a jump start. So there you go. I'm giving you an entire business opportunity for you to start making money online. If you have questions, just leave a comment. And if you want me to cover any other topic, do let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you out.